Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
I will walk you through deleting a business manager on Facebook step by step. You must be an admin of the business manager to delete it. Check that you control all assets like pages and ad accounts before you begin. Remove any people and assign any required access to other admins if needed. Back up important data and download reports from ad accounts and pages first. This ensures you do not lose vital information during deletion. Follow each step carefully to permanently remove the business settings. Open business settings in your business manager and go to people to remove users. Remove each person and confirm that only remaining admins are trusted. Next, navigate to accounts and open pages, ad accounts, and data sources. Unlink pages, ad accounts, pixels, catalogs, and Instagram accounts from the business one by one. For each asset, click Remove or Disconnect and confirm the action when prompted. Download any necessary data and reports from each ad account and page before continuing to deletion. When all assets and people are removed, go to Business Info in Settings. Find the Permanently Delete Business option and click to start the deletion process. Read the confirmation notice that explains permanent removal of settings and ownership. Confirm you want to delete and enter any requested authentication, like your password. Facebook will then process the deletion and remove the business manager permanently. Check your associated pages and ad accounts after completion to verify ownership and access changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.